you're looking for a tire changer that saves time and effort, the CORGHI ClampOnTyre. Quick Clamp is a game changer in the workshop. It's designed to grip wheels securely in seconds without damaging the rim, making tire replacements faster and safer. The Quick Clamp system is easy to use, reducing setup time and boosting efficiency in busy garages. With robust construction, it handles tough jobs effortlessly and delivers reliable performance for professionals. Whether you're working on passenger cars or light trucks, this tool keeps the process smooth and precise. Its compact design makes it easy to integrate into any service bay. This is a tool built for speed, safety, and performance. The Rotary Karacter.LL Premium Tire Changer is built for workshops that need strength, precision, and automation in one package. It's engineered to handle even the toughest run-flat and low-profile tires with minimal effort. With its intelligent design, it protects rims while ensuring tires are mounted or removed quickly. Operators benefit from ergonomic controls that make the process smoother and faster. Its premium build quality means durability and reliability over years of daily use. Ideal for high-volume garages, it helps mechanics work smarter, not harder. A true powerhouse for modern tire service. The Mecha 24 reinforced jockey wheel is the perfect companion for trailers, caravans, or any heavy-duty towing need. With its strong 48mm tube and reinforced bracket, it's designed to withstand pressure without bending. This wheel makes maneuvering trailers simple, even on uneven ground. It's equipped with an anti-unscrewing locking pin to ensure safety during use. The durable build means it won't wear down quickly, even with frequent movement. Easy to install and adjust, it's practical for both professionals and hobby users. A sturdy, reliable upgrade that makes towing hassle-free. Keeping your camper steady has never been easier than with the Kohree Camper Leveler. This system lets you level your RV or camper in minutes without the struggle of blocks or guesswork. Its heavy-duty design supports large weights while maintaining stability. The curved structure allows for smooth rolling onto the level, giving you precise adjustments every time. It's built tough with high-strength polymer for long-lasting durability. Lightweight and portable, it fits neatly in your RV storage. For travelers who want comfort on the road, this leveler is a must-have. The Milenco Aluminium Leveler. Fitting offers a professional-grade solution to keep caravans and campers perfectly balanced. Made from lightweight yet strong aluminum, it provides excellent stability without adding much weight. Its design allows for precise leveling on uneven ground, ensuring safety and comfort inside the vehicle. Easy to use and built to last, it's resistant to corrosion and wear. Mechanics and campers alike value its durability and reliability. Its compact build makes it easy to carry and store. A smart choice for anyone who demands both strength and convenience. When it comes to body repair, the Autorobot Smart Puller makes dent removal efficient and precise. It's designed for pulling small to medium dents without damaging the vehicle's paint. This tool is lightweight and portable, making it perfect for quick fixes in workshops. Its clever design allows technicians to save time while achieving professional results. Built with high-quality materials, it ensures durability and long service life. Easy to handle, it reduces fatigue during long repair sessions. A must-have for any auto body repair shop looking to speed up dent work. The Autobest Manual Mobile Lifting Column is a serious tool for garages needing heavy lifting power. With a massive 810-kilo capacity, it allows safe and efficient lifting of vehicles for repairs. Its mobile design means it can be positioned wherever needed, adding flexibility to the workshop. The manual operation is reliable and low maintenance, perfect for long-term use. Safety features ensure secure lifting without risk of accidents. Built strong, it's engineered to handle daily professional use with ease. A solid investment for any serious repair shop. Lifting heavy wheels just got easier with the Rotary Mobile Wheel Lift MW80. This smart tool allows mechanics to lift and position wheels without strain. It's designed to handle large and heavy assemblies, reducing the risk of injury. Smooth hydraulic operation makes the process effortless and precise. Its compact frame makes it easy to move around the workshop. Strong and durable, it's built to last even with constant daily use. For efficiency and safety, this is a must-have wheel handling solution. The Ken Tool Tire Valve Installer 29850 is a simple yet powerful tool that makes valve installation quick and easy. It's designed to push tire valves into place without damage, saving time and effort. The handle provides a comfortable grip for better control during use. Built from durable steel, it's made to withstand years of workshop abuse. This compact tool is easy to store and carry in any mechanic's kit. It's ideal for tire shops and home garages alike. A small tool that delivers big results. The KwikPro KwikLift is a portable lifting solution that turns your driveway into a professional garage. With its clever design, it allows you to lift your vehicle safely and quickly. No need for bulky equipment or complicated setups, this tool is simple and efficient. It's strong enough to handle a wide range of vehicles with ease. Built for convenience, it folds down for easy storage when not in use. Mechanics and car enthusiasts love its practicality and strength. A real game changer for home and professional repairs. The WRD Handling Cup is a specialist tool designed to handle automotive glass with safety and precision. Its strong suction power allows technicians to lift and move windshields or large glass panels without risk of damage. Built with durable materials, it ensures long-lasting reliability in daily workshop use. The ergonomic handle design reduces fatigue and gives better control during installations. Lightweight yet powerful, it's easy to position exactly where needed. This tool makes glass handling safer, faster, and more efficient. A trusted companion for auto glass professionals. The OponusWroclaw Wheel Alignment A100 brings high-tech precision to wheel servicing. It's designed to deliver accurate alignment results, ensuring smoother driving and reduced tire wear. With a modern digital system, it helps mechanics achieve perfect calibration every time. Easy to use, it cuts down on setup time and boosts workshop productivity. The system's reliability makes it ideal for busy garages handling multiple vehicles. Built with advanced engineering, it stands up to the demands of daily professional use. A must-have for any shop serious about performance and precision. The eaelift mobile car repair service solution takes convenience to the next level by bringing the workshop to your doorstep. With its mobile setup, technicians can lift and service cars directly at the customer's location. It's designed for flexibility, saving time and hassle for both mechanics and clients. The system is safe, stable, and reliable, allowing high-quality repairs outside traditional workshops. Strong lifting capability ensures it can handle a wide range of vehicles. Easy to operate, it maximizes efficiency for mobile mechanics. A modern repair solution built for the future. The single-cut EVO5.0 is a professional windscreen removal system built for speed and safety. It allows technicians to remove bonded glass without damaging the paint or trim. The tool's clever single-core design makes the job efficient and precise. Compact and easy to handle, it reduces strain while working in tight spaces. Its durable construction ensures long-term reliability in busy auto glass shops. Lightweight yet powerful, it streamlines one of the toughest repair jobs. A real time saver for modern windscreen replacement work. The SCANGRIP UV Curing system is a breakthrough tool for body shops that demand faster repairs. Using advanced UV technology, it cures fillers and coatings in minutes instead of hours. Compact and portable, it's easy to position exactly where needed. Its powerful light ensures consistent and professional curing results. Built with durable housing, it's designed to withstand workshop conditions. The energy-efficient design reduces power consumption while delivering top performance. A smart upgrade for modern repair centers that value speed and precision. The Facom CR.SB sanding blocks are designed to give technicians complete control over surface preparation. Adjustable and ergonomic, they adapt to different shapes for precise sanding. Built with high-quality materials, they're durable and long-lasting. The lightweight design helps reduce fatigue during long sanding jobs. These blocks provide consistent pressure for smooth, even results. Perfect for bodywork, paint prep, and finishing tasks. A reliable tool for professionals who care about quality finishes. The orange bench vise is built like a tank, giving mechanics and fabricators the holding power they need. Precision machined, it offers a secure grip on materials without slipping. Its heavy-duty build ensures it can handle even the toughest clamping jobs. With smooth operation, it makes adjustments quick and effortless. The vise is engineered for long-term use with minimal wear. Compact yet strong, it fits easily into any workshop setup. A must-have workhorse tool for every repair bench. The Ken Tool Valve. Stem nut wrench is the go-to solution for installing and tightening valve stem nuts with ease. Its design ensures a secure grip that prevents stripping or damage. Compact and lightweight, it fits comfortably in any mechanic's toolbox. Made from durable materials, it's built to handle daily workshop use. The ergonomic handle makes it easy to use, even in tight spaces. Perfect for tire shops and mobile service units alike. A small but essential tool that delivers big reliability. The Trolley IW1 is a clever support system designed to hold heavy impact wrenches with ease. By carrying the weight of the tool, it reduces operator fatigue and increases accuracy. Its mobile design allows it to move freely around the workshop. Adjustable arms make it versatile for different wrench sizes and tasks. The sturdy frame ensures stability and durability under daily use. Easy to maneuver, it keeps work efficient and comfortable. A smart upgrade for anyone using impact tools regularly. The Drester GP24 Le Mans is a high-performance wheel washer built for professional workshops. Using water and cleaning media, it removes dirt, brake dust, and grease effortlessly. Designed for speed, it handles a wide range of wheel sizes with ease. Its automated system saves time while ensuring spotless results. Built tough, it withstands daily heavy-duty operation. Environmentally friendly, it minimizes water and detergent consumption. A premium solution that keeps wheels shining like new in every service. That's it for today's list of must-have auto repair tools. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tool rundowns. Drop a comment with your favorite tool, and I'll see you in the next one.